Hi, good afternoon. My name is Kurt Keating. I'm with Fluke Corporation. We are better known as the meter guys. Fluke Electronics Corporation is in business now here for 70 years. And one of the product offerings that we make here is power quality analyzers. So what's a power quality analyzer and why would a customer have an interest in it? For the most part, most people have a need for continuous power into their plant. And in industrial and commercial settings, this is obviously what's going to be powering all the equipment and all the machinery and obviously their network. So the quality of that power is of a concern of a lot of customers these days. And at Fluke, we heard you loud and clear, and we've come up with a variety of solutions for testing and verifying power quality and also looking for efficiency. So if we're trying to save money on my electric bill and I'm being charged a lot of money by my local utility, and I'm not sure where all this power is being used in my plant, a portable power analyzer from Fluke is a great way to find out where those power hogs are at. So these are hardened devices used for physically hooking up to a circuit, as you can see behind me here, and allow me to get local readings and displays and start to interpret the levels of power that are being used and how efficient those loads are. So I'm sure a lot of you customers have gone through lighting upgrades these days and upgraded your lighting so that you get a more efficient lighting bill. Well, the same thing can be used in terms of determining your efficiency of your HVAC system or any kind of electromechanical loads in your plant. And we can use a power analyzer for figuring that out. So at Fluke, basic things we need to know. What type of topology? And what we mean by that is, what's the wiring? Is this a single phase load? Is it a three-phase load? Is it a Y or is it a delta? And knowing that, we can help guide you to the right analyzer. What's the voltage you want to record from? Do you want to record just 120 volt single phase circuits like an outlet, or would you like to measure something like a 480 volt motor? And what kind of current are you measuring? How high? And from that, we're able to determine the voltage input range and the current input range of the meter that we need to supply you. After that, what are the parameters or what are the problems? What are the applications? So what's the number one thing you want to do with this thing, and what are you trying to figure out? So if it's power quantity, and I've got a big electric bill at the end of the month, I'm trying to figure out who's using all that energy. And so these are portable battery operated devices, as you can see, and I can move them around from panel to panel or load to load in the plant, and I can figure out who's using what amount of energy and how efficiently are they using that. And a lot of folks understand this as what's called power factor, which power factor is basically the electrical efficiency of how much energy a load uses it and how much it uses of the energy. And typically a power factor rating of 0.9 or greater is what's expected and what is desired. And for those loads that don't produce that level of efficiency, the idea is that you can actually figure out what the inefficiencies are and what it's costing you, and then putting in a new load and how fast that new load or the piece of machinery can pay for itself, what we call return on investment or ROI. So Fluke is a very helpful company in helping you determine not only the right product, but the right application fit and how you want to move forward. And the biggest single thing that we bring to the picture is the experience in the training. We can train you. We can make you what we call dangerous with this product, so you can actually go out and start making measurements on the first day and enjoy the value and the savings what the product will bring. And of course, we're tied to many Fluke distributors who offer all the solutions for you to be able to fix that problem or offer you the new solution. And the biggest offering that we have in that regard are technical solutions, folks like T-Equipment. And T-Equipment has the ability to be able to deliver a value-added service from the standpoint of technical capability and deliver from a very large inventory of Fluke product. So if you have questions, give them a call. Their number will be flashed up here at the end of the YouTube video. If you have questions of Fluke directly, you can call 1-800-44-FLUKE. And we'd be happy to answer any questions you might have and or supply you technical support on a product after you've received it. Appreciate your time here today. Hopefully that was of value for those folks. And feel free to reach out to us and ask any questions about any application at all you're thinking about in terms of power quality or power quantity.